This is Linus from StruSoft, and this is another tip of the week. And this time I'm going to talk about production planning for formslabs and show you a little bit how that is done. So let's get to it. Here I have a model, and I've modeled some formslabs, as you can see. These are have been done in Impact Revit, and I've saved them so that I see the lattice girders as well. I don't have holes and end stops, but if that would be the case, I will see them as well. And yeah, I took a copy, so I have 2 floors of it, and these needs to be planned on the production. So first of all, I will show you here. I have prepared 4 tables that are yeah, are adjusted for my form slabs. And what I've adjusted is basically the size of it so that I can cast um, yeah, several at the same table. So what you can do is you can just select all and hit this gear symbol, which is called auto bed management. So here we can decide how to plan the elements. So first we have the alignment. So either like upper, lower, or unrestricted, then you can do whatever. But I want to, if there are room, I want the elements to be both on the top of my bed and on the bottom, so that I utilize the whole bed. Then I can decide if I want to multicast. So basically, if these elements doesn't fit on the tables for one day, we will place them the next day that is available. But in this case, I don't. And here we can also restrict that. Okay, maybe you have a limit of 4 elements per table or something. So you can start that and put a number. Will be unrestricted here as well. And then how you want to place them in the table. So now I will go with the length, but you can also do like erection sequence order or reversed, or the order of selection. I want to plan on all my tables. If I wanted to use number 4 here for something else, I can just uncheck it and it will be yeah, not used. But let's use all and hit start. So we see that there are 16 elements that needs to be planned, and yeah, now they are. You see the colors of the cast here shows that they are fun planned, and yeah, in the cost planning, if you make that a little bit bigger, they are ending up in the beds. So you can see here that on the first table we utilized a lot. So we can have 3 elements on top and 3 on bottom. We also see the distances here. I've set like a distance of 30 centimeters so that I can you know, make sure that they are not casted together and so on. So yeah, here you can basically see that okay, yeah, we don't have 1 meter pieces, so this table is full. But here you see that we have 4.3 meters almost. So if you would have a smaller one, you can place it on this table as well as here, and especially here where we have like 9 meters. Um, so this is how you do it, and yeah, this is for normal non-pre-stressed slabs, form slabs. If you would cast pre-stressed form slabs, that you can do as well, but then you use another method. So I don't have any pre-stressed ones, but I have prepared 2 options here. So you create beds in your standard. So either you have like one that is have restrictions of the placement of the strands, like we have here. So you see that every light gray line here represents a possible position for the strands. Or you do here where they are not restricted, and then they are decided by the first element. So if you put an element and you have a strand pattern, then they will follow the same rules of with the strands. So yeah, I hope that was interesting, and if you would like to know more, just give me a call and we'll look into more details. And with this, I would like to wish you a very nice weekend and see you soon.